Happy New Year, everybody. This is Sneaker Resident Benjamin Scott. Welcome to the first episode of Sneaker Jamz Rebound Season 5. And on today's new episode, I have here a very special guest. She's also one of my fellow models. I've worked with her in the past, and she is amazing. Ladies and gentlemen, I bring to you Miss Nataya Jamz. Welcome to the show.
Thank you for having me on your show.
No problem. So, how 2025 is going?
So far, we're about, 4 days in?
Yes.
4 days in. I would say that I have a lot of plans for this movie that I'm so happy to be executing. I have a lot of people I'm collaborating with this year, and I'm just like, I'm ready to put out content, more photo shoots, more shows.
Nice. Very, very, very nice. Hey, it's a new beginning, new chapter, and also new opportunities. We're going to have ourselves a hell of a good time.
Yeah.
So, tell me, how did you get into modeling?
So it started off as a joke in 2023. Me and my best friend were supposed to get into modeling. We were like, we're gonna model, and we were like, yeah, you do it first. And I'm like, no, you do it first. And then suddenly, there was just a casting call one day, and I told her like, hey, I'm going to, are you coming? And she was like, no, I'm too shy. So I just went early January of 2024 was my first casting call. And I went because I needed to develop confidence. I needed to know, like, I just wanted to build more avenues, have more hobbies, and everything like that. And even though I did not get into that show, I was very happy because it started something and it started firing. And like, hey, I should just continue going. So that's how I started out.
Yeah. That's what I call one door closes, another door is open.
Yeah.
That's very important to y'all, to models, upcoming models like myself. Remember, when one door is closed, another door is open. So don't give up. Keep your head up.
Yeah.
When did you?
It's okay. Take your time.
Okay. When did you start your first show?
My first show was in Cleveland, Ohio. It was in Cleveland, Ohio. I went to I actually virtually submitted a casting call while I lived in Washington for 2 months. 4 months. And then after this, it was like, we would love to have you on our show. And I flew to Cleveland for my first show in
Was it cool?
It was cool. It was very hot that day. I was sweating bullets, but it was cool. It was my first experience, so I wouldn't say too much about it, but I think it was, for the most part, I loved the designers. And I loved how, everybody was pretty much cool.
Throughout the rehearsal, have you guys, practice your walks, your poses, and everything like that?
Yeah, I flew back to Cleveland I flew to Cleveland for rehearsals and stuff like that.
Okay, nice. How long did you stay in Cleveland?
It was just probably like 2 days.
Okay. Hey, at least you had some time.
Yeah.
Now, if my memory serves correct, you and I were part of a runway show last year, this time with Miss Judy J.
Not this time. Last year around, that was December.
Okay.
Yeah, December with yeah.
Because Judy J was the special guest at the runway show that me and her were part of. And it was cool. It was really, really cool.
Yeah.
How's that experience, meeting Judy J as well?
It was good. I would say. I'm glad I was able to meet someone who is a celebrity, and I didn't expect it. I didn't know, but I was glad to be there.
Okay, nice, very nice. To those who don't know Judy J, she is from the Bad Girls Club. Yes, that's right. She is from the Bad Girls Club. She's awesome. She's amazing. And of course, I too got a chance to meet her as well. So shout out to Judy J and many more. Hopefully, we'll get a chance to see each other again this year. No doubt about that. Now, do you have any shoes? Let me rephrase that. Do you have your dress shoes you want to show to?
These are my heels.
Okay, so tell us
really
about
have. I got these heels from Forever 21.
Cool.
I really like them because they're white, they're different. They kind of point to toe a little bit, so I kind of like those.
Oh, that's cool.
And I would say on certain flooring, it's very slippery, but I like them. It helps me with my pivots and turns when I'm modeling and runway shows. But
Nice.
yeah, these are my shoes.
Okay. Do you love wearing high heels, or have you ever tried, like, for say, sneakers?
Yes, so I am going to get more into sneakers. I've had sneakers in the past, but I just didn't really take care of them, so I'm going to work on getting sneakers. I have a specific taste in sneakers. Like, it has to be different. I don't want it to look the same as everybody else, so I'm very, very picky. With heels, I'm picky, but it's like I can get a pair of heels if I can get, regular shoes, but yeah.
Okay, nothing wrong with that.
Yeah.
And of course, to everybody out there who are sneakerheads, make sure you're taking care of your shoes. Make sure you clean them. Make sure you get them fixed up, and it doesn't, run down on that. Because I know about sneakers because I'm a sneakerhead, and I know about these since 1994. If you don't know about it, ask your mom.
Yeah.
So, what's next for you this year?
What's next for me? What's next for me is I'm going to be, I'm supposed to be starting school soon, and then also like I said, I have ideas on the photo shoots that I'm going to be executing soon. I have like a lot of photographers that I'm going to be collabing with, and a lot of content I'm going to put out. So I'm just going to be investing more of my time in my hobbies and my career this year. So by 2026, I can do whatever I want. I can have my name out there and be who I want to be. So.
That's awesome. That's very awesome. Now, I always ask my guests this question. Would you prefer casual sneakers over dress shoes?
Me? Okay. Sorry. I prefer dress shoes. Because again, last year was my year of femininity, so I'm getting into my feminine. And I'm usually more tomboyish. So I think I like the feminine side more. But this year I'm going to be tapping into both. Yeah. Yeah.
Can you still rock with sneakers even though you're
I can, depending on the outfits, yes.
Okay. And of course, casual sneakers is the best in the fashion industry. You can dress up, you can dress down. It's all about being yourself. Now, if you can't be yourself, well, nobody can accept you. And I mean that for real. What I mean for real? Oh, baby, I
Be your
mean.
authentic self.
Exactly. No questions asked. Well, all I want to say is thank you so much for coming on Sneaker Jamz, the first episode of the new year. I love that.
Thank you.
Now, where can we find you on social media?
You can add me on social media at Nataya.Johnson.73.
Nice, very nice. And of course, you can add yours truly on Facebook under my name, Benjamin Scott, Instagram at Benjamin.Scott, and of course, YouTube under Benjamin Scott Sneaker Jamz. That's Jamz, not S, Z. Now, if you want to know which casual sneakers will I show you on Sneaker Jamz, or better yet, which special guest like Nataya should I bring on Sneaker Jamz? What do you think?
I don't really know. I don't know yet. You guys have to find out next episode.
She took the words right out of my mouth.
Next episode.
Hey, and there's plenty of more episodes coming your way this year. Thank you so much for coming.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Come on back anytime.
I sure will.
And as always, this is Sneaker Resident Benjamin Scott with Nataya. We'll see y'all next time. So God bless y'all. Peace. And always remember, lace them up and kick it with Sneaker Jamz. Later.